What is up, guys? It is Jack and welcome to a new video. Today we have got what I believe to be the smallest drone in the entire world. This is the ProPal Atom 1.0 micro drone, and they literally had it at the Toys R Us closing sale for $10. So I thought, it's $10 and it's a drone, why not try it out? So let's just rip this thing open. Incredibly nimble, awesomely quick. That's what it says on the box. We'll just pull it out just like this, and I think this is the drone itself. Undo these twist ties back here, and just like that, holy spigoli. This thing is absolutely tiny. Okay, just for a little bit of a comparison, this is a regular sized pocket knife. It is literally smaller than the blade. Here, this is more accurate. This is the DJI Mavic Pro. It is widely considered to be one of the best small drones on the market. God, I would say you could probably fit 10, maybe even 30 of these tiny drones inside one DJI Mavic Pro. Although keep in mind, this is 100 times the price. Let's see what else is in the box. We've got this nice silver box, great packaging for $10. Pull this out here, and this looks like it's the controller. Man, this controller is teeny tiny. This looks like the charging cable as well as a screwdriver. You've also got some spare blades and a little map of the world. I should probably read the quick start guide, but I think since I'm such an amazing drone pilot, I can figure this out. Nah, who am I kidding? So I'm gonna say you probably have to turn the controller on first. Nope, no batteries. Okay, to grab some AA batteries. AAA actually. Screw the door back in. All right, here we go. Now we just gotta turn this on. And usually with toy drones, what you gotta do to connect is just go up and down. Not sure if this is really a good spot to take off, but oh my god, it's so, oh my god. All right. Got it a little more. So bouncy. You guys can barely see it, but it keeps going all the way around the studio. Oh my! But see, now it's not working. Oh my god, that came dangerously close to the camera. That wouldn't even be the first time I've crashed a drone into this lens. So clearly this drone is not exactly intended for a videographer's purpose. For one, it's extremely hard to control, and two, it doesn't even have a camera on it. It is really fun though, and considering how hard it is to control, if you can master this, you will be a pro at flying something like a DJI drone with GPS. That's a lot, it's a lot easier to control. So this is a nice practice drone. If you just want to get a little bit of practice, it's the exact same controls as on something like a DJI Mavic Pro, which is literally 100 times the price. So I'll definitely be keeping this. I'll definitely keep this around. But if you're looking for the best beginner drone, I can tell you right now, this is not it. So guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like. Also comment down below what you thought. I just thought this was kind of a fun video because I saw this drone at the Toys R Us closing store sale. But I was like, it's a drone, it's $10, and it's tiny. What can this thing do? So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. I'm Jack. Peace out.